Hi, Ali, how are you?
Hello, Sarah. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. I was just thinking about our school days.
Oh, that brings back memories. Do you remember our science experiments?
Yes, especially the volcano experiment. It was so exciting.
I remember we had so much fun during those experiments.
And do you recall the school trips we went on?
Absolutely. The trip to the historical site was unforgettable.
I agree. Those were some of the best times of my life.
Me too. It's nice to look back at those days.
Hope you people understand it clearly. So please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting video.